Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot common printer connectivity issues on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in Troubleshoot. Best result should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, select Additional Troubleshooters. And then underneath Get Up and Running, select Printer, Find and Fix Problems with Printing, and select Run the Troubleshooter. And then just proceed with the wizard on the screen here. And again, I recommend just following along with whatever it suggests. Try to recycle the printer, so turning it off and then on again, and then hopefully your issue should be resolved. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.